All right, guys. So
wait, before you start, I want to tell everyone we had a whole intro.
Yeah.
Recorded, and
my cameraman messed up.
I have a name.
Cameraman. One. We'll give you cameraman one.
I forgot to hit the record button. I don't know why or how, but we're
stood outside for 5 minutes in the sun, sweating.
Oof.
I told you guys everything. All the 21
ports and features.
The 21-inch wheels, the Eagle tires, everything. Well, but, we're gonna do this.
We're gonna go backwards right now. So he's gonna do his first drive ever. Go over the interior real quick if you guys want to see the interior. There's a little in the back right here.
We'll do the back.
If you want to see right there, guys, there's a baby car seat in the back. If you want to see, there's a lot of room here. It's a little messy right now, but all
right. So do we have a route on where we want to go, or
let's no, you know how to drive around here. Let me put on my seatbelt.
So just drive anywhere?
Do you know, hold on, what do you like about the interior? Talk to them. Show the interior.
All right, so what do you mean?
Show the interior.
Okay.
Show it. Then talk about it.
All right, so honestly,
do you like the infotainment?
The infotainment system, I love it.
Why?
It's just so easy to use, especially when you're driving. And I know this infotainment system because of my mom's car. This is actually my first time in this car. So before we recorded, this is my first time riding. Mo drove here. This is gonna be my first time.
I know.
This is gonna be my first time driving. I'm over here vlogging now. But I know I'm a little familiar with the infotainment system, and I just love the leather.
You're just a car guy, dude.
I love the attention to detail.
You love everything.
But
you're a car guy.
Honestly, my favorite couple things about this car.
Just a car guy.
I have a handle right here. It's nice to be able to rest your hand on something when you're just cruising. What is this? Is this suede?
You like the design right here
Alcantara?
of this is wood. This is nice.
I like the wood grain. I like the wood grain.
And it's a little, it looks
saddle
dirty
brown.
here. This needs to be all cleaned out.
Yeah.
And you can see if this just like goes by.
Yeah, it's like an iPhone.
And yeah, it's pretty.
It's pretty good.
Intuitive, and
one of
you
my
got
favorite
here
things
to open. You got two. You got one down here.
Cut you off.
Okay, hold on. It's my review now.
Okay.
And then you got the top part here.
Well, it's your car.
So
but,
it's a pretty cool storage. A lot of room in here. Oh, there's also something interesting about here. There's a fridge in here.
Yeah.
Light doesn't know this, but it's a fridge.
That's where I keep my Dom P.
That's really cool. Oh, dude, feel that. This is not. That's just the first level of cool. It gets even colder. If you put it
I just got colder.
No, I actually turned it off right now. So. But move your hand. 93
Dom P in the back.
Okay, he's talking. This kid,
okay.
16 years old.
Look at this. This is one of my favorite things. The attention to detail is amazing. I mean, look at this. How many handles in your car have leather on it?
That's a common thing, like.
No, it's not common to have it all leather. Handle? It's usually plastic. Or look at, you even have the stitching. It's the same color as the interior.
Yeah,
the Alcantara suede. No, show me another car that does that.
Probably your car.
No. My car is just plastic, gray plastic.
All right, so that's
all we could afford.
Let's start the first drive. Don't mess with the top.
I want to show them the top. Look at how big.
It's panoramic roof. It's really hot in here, so we're not doing that right now.
All right. Well.
All right. So you're good. Can you drive? Can you check the mirrors? Everything good?
I set those up.
Is this camera in the way?
You're in my way. All right. So do you have any specific place you want to go?
No, just drive, man, and drive around the couple plots. Why go to the right? We're going to a parking lot.
Yeah, I'm gonna go around the parking lot. All right, I'll just go through here. Dude, it's very responsive for a big boy, for a big body.
Why do you call it big body?
Everyone knows it's called big body because it's a big body. You know,
you gotta keep it smooth.
There's Range Rover, Evoque, you have the Velar, you have the Sport, then you have the big body. It's heavy. Brakes are pretty responsive. Oh, gas pedal's very responsive.
The car's behind us. You didn't really.
And I'm not even stepping on. No, that.
Yeah,
car,
it's a V8, dog.
It's just so nice when I drive it. Like,
how many horsepower does this have?
Either 505 or 575, 550, something like that.
485. I made that up. I don't even remember.
I'm pretty sure it's in the 500s. So responsive, dude. Like, I've driven V8. I've driven the C63. That's a car. It's not an SUV, but still, this is the same responsive as responsive. Listen, it's the same response.
You're lying to your viewers now at this point. Oh shoot!
And now we're getting a call. This is just.
Shoot! Hold on, Daya's.
This video was very planned out, by the way, guys.
Hey Daya, we're live recording, babe. You want to say something to Leif? He's driving the car.
He's driving the Range? So the big body?
Yeah.
Oh, give it a car wash and fill it up with gas.
Dude, it's really... Actually, this is
gas.
good because we could do the car wash.
Yeah.
And then show the outside, because the outside was kind of filthy before. Honey, we recorded for 5 minutes outside, and I didn't hit the record button.
My cameraman failed.
And what?
And I forgot to hit the record button. So he just...
remember you made fun of me yesterday because I wasn't recording on my phone?
Yeah, I know. Anyway, Lathan's getting mad because it's like, it says review time, so I'll tell you back.
Dude, I love this car.
Alright, love you, bye. Okay.
Hey, honestly, I know that I might look too small for it, but this is the best car I've ever driven.
You actually look really good right now driving. Don't look at the road, man.
Well, I mean, listen, dude. Honestly, guys, I'm not even lying. I thought it was going to be totally different. I drove the Escalade, which is the car that Mo had before this.
I love that
and
truck.
That felt like a straight up truck. Like, it felt like I was driving a U-Haul. This thing, it literally turns like so easily. It's just so nice. It's smooth. You don't feel like you're driving a car this big. And this is the long wheelbase, so it's literally one of the longest SUVs out right now. And it's just so smooth. What are these double pane windows? You can't hear anything. You can only hear the engine if you want to. You can hear your music. You can hear Going Bad if you want by Drake and Meek Mill.
We can't just stop it, right?
Yeah, but you know.
Sing it.
No, it's fine. We're good. So honestly, it's really smooth, and you forgot to turn the auto start stop off. That's your job, Mo.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
So I've never seen you act.
I'm so happy.
The problem about this
literally
is
the best.
People, it gives people an ego. That's the same thing to my wife. Look at Lace talking to me like.
Oh, it just sounds amazing. And now we hit the speed limit and we just cruise. But man,
hell yeah. Big body,
big body.
Turn left.
It's honestly, when I become successful, this will definitely be.
Actually, you should drive this back to the house.
Which one?
Oh shoot, dude, the license plate thing.
What about it?
But it fell off. Big body.
This is so nice, man. This is crazy, guys. This has actually surpassed my expectations.
Here's what we're gonna do. All right, I'm really happy that you're happy, but this,
yeah, I love
this.
This.
To drive this again.
No, I know. That's why we're gonna really stretch out
insurance,
this review.
and it's all the way my bank account works is like
3 business days.
Yeah, until you get on my insurance.
Savings to your check-ins. Yeah.
So,
left or straight?
Did in the parking lot here. You know
what parking lot? This one?
The Target one. Yeah.
Man, dude, guys, I'm telling you, for a car this size, you are just. It's definitely a driver's car. You just feel so connected to the road.
What do you mean a driver's car? This is an SUV.
I know, but it's.
This is a family vehicle.
Vehicular.
Vehicle.
I'm telling you,
you're the sheriff's driver's car. You're not driving a freaking Ferrari, man.
I know,
or
man.
Or a Porsche.
I'm telling you, for something this size, it's made so so nice.
Is this the first smooth car you've ever driven? Like, what's wrong with you?
It's one of the smoothest I've ever driven.
Look alive, man.
It might be the smoothest. It's great, but you know what? We're gonna stop fangirling about it, and we're gonna take questions from Mo. So Mo, go ahead, start throwing out some questions.
What would be another SUV you'd want to test drive? Now that you've driven it, now that you got a taste for it. Because I tried to buy you an SUV.
Yeah.
And you didn't want one.
Yeah, and because being 5'1", it's tough living with an SUV every day. I mean, I have to get a ladder, get in, and then get a step.
Don't make fun of your height, man. You're growing.
It's one of those things where I'd rather just have a car that's low to the ground. It's easier for me to get in and get out.
Look to the camera when you talk.
And well, I'm driving, so it's safety feature.
Right now we're still on the sheriff. There's a sheriff.
And there's a sheriff right there, yeah. So, another SUV I would like to drive. Let's just see. I mean, what do they compare to this car? They compare. The new Lincoln Navigators look really nice. I would like to test drive one of those. The GLS 63 AMG.
Damn.
I really want to test drive that.
You out here, Tess? What if they make the SVR version of this?
They do. It's called the SV Autobiography.
No, that's not an SVR version. That's the same engine.
As the SVR.
No, as this.
So you want to get in right here. And I'm telling you guys, it feels like I've been driving.
Don't act like you know stuff with full confidence, dude. You're wrong about
I'm pretty sure the SV
you're wrong.
Autobiography and the SVR, I'm pretty sure if they're not the same, they're very similar.
They're not. The SV Autobiography just has a lot of luxury features.
I know the SVR is the fastest range.
Let's park it right over there.
Over there?
Somewhere over there. Here, go forward more. Somewhere away from all the cars, so you could walk around and just give it the as we like to call it, the lathe store. Also, in the comments below, no, straight over there.
Are you sure?
By the Best Buy one. Come on, don't be weird.
Okay, so now we're doing a Best Buy commercial.
Yeah, Best Buy. If you're out there watching the vlogs,
Geek Squad, shout out.
The Geek Squad, Lathe Squad, we out here.
Yeah. Okay. Whoa.
Yeah, parked right there. And
yeah, if geek means
we want to ask you guys
lifestyle.
a couple of things. We're trying to figure out a name for Lathe's car review channel.
And this guy, is he vaping?
Here. We're trying to figure out a name for Lathe's car review channel, and we're in a standstill right now. Lathe wants to call it a bunch of weird shit, and I want to call it Small Guy Reviews. So you know what? In the comments below, just give us any suggestions you guys think that could be the next. We want to do more car stuff. We want to do more lifestyle stuff because Lathe has a sick lifestyle. You guys can't see it,
great.
but Lathe he's always.
They don't know about the scouting report. They don't know about the scouting report.
Yeah, but that's
you'll find out about that later on.
We're not going to talk about that. But anyway, let's go to the outside.
All right. Hey guys.
And we're live.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
All right. Hey guys, it's late.
Open your eyes.
Dude, it's really sunny out here.
Okay, okay. Move your hand, man. You can't just.
All right. I'm just gonna.
Don't worry. All this will be edited out.
I'm gonna look at the car.
All this will be edited out.
Right.
Go on.
So here in front of us, we have the 2019 Range Rover long wheelbase, and we have the Panda Spec blackout package on the back outside.
Why do you call it Panda Spec?
So this spec is notoriously known in the whole world.
Louder.
The Panda
Speak louder.
Spec. So it's white with black trims. Everyone knows this. Designer has a song called Panda, 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 and he talks about this. He actually talks about a BMW X6. This is way above. We're way above designer's lifestyle preferences, but we have the same color scheme going. We got the 21-inch wheels, obviously black. Got to keep them. Got to keep the color.
Squat
scheme
down
going.
by the wheel. I want to see if it's as big as you.
Yeah. Well,
squat down right
I'm
next to it.
6'1", so.
Squat down.
But here we are.
Now curl up into a ball. Curl up right where the wheel is. I want to see if you could.
We're about the same size, yeah. I mean, I could fight this wheel if I really wanted to. If the wheel was talking shit, like it's getting demolished.
Let's see. Let's show them from here.
Yeah,
as you can see, look how close.
Slip in like a glove.
Look how closely sits to it.
Very deep, but you know, being 6'1".
That means if you can see back here, then we'll move. Look how much room you have back here. You literally have enough room. You literally have enough room. This is the baby car seat. We got little Woody. Shout out to Woody.
Let me show them the legroom.
Shout out to Big Body Woody right here. What up, bud? What up, Big Body?
Hey.
Look how much legroom you have here.
Look at this.
And this is a lot of legroom for anyone, even like if you're taller than Lathe.
And especially if Lathe is driving. So just hypothetically,
like Lathe, sit down there. Put your feet out. Not like that. Not like that. I meant like put your legs out, but like you're sitting outside with. Hey, damn, dude, watch out, man! Don't be breaking my shit.
So, hypothetically, and this is not gonna happen because there's no way two of me will exist. I'm one of one, and it's
so saying,
for wrong reasons.
This is the second time you use one of one.
But just look at
Last time, a lot of people in the comments were mad we're saying like, what do you mean 1 of 1 on your car?
And the guy told me that it's a 1 of 1 in the Central Valley.
1 of 1.
They'll never sell another one. Yeah. So yeah, stay mad because you fuel the success that allowed me to buy this watch and this car. It's my car. No, I officially made it my car. So let's just skip around for a second, okay? Hypothetically, let's just say you have one person that's 5'1" sitting in the back.
Yeah, most likely a girl.
Yeah, no, you know, most likely me, because I'm an executive.
Female.
I'm always traveling, so I ride in the back while I'm making executive phone calls. And then let's just say my driver's 5'1". I mean, I could take a nap back here.
What just like this. A lot of people are asking as well. Are you really 16, and how come you have a full-grown beard? Yeah, so testosterone levels are 1400. But you never checked that. You just assume they are.
No, it's what's the word? It's educated guess.
Why do you have a problem making eye contact with the camera? Look at us.
Yeah.
Look at us.
Bored man gets paid. That's what I have to say to that.
Oh, well, that concludes the you know, it's a little out of sequence. This is a review 2, you know, let us know.
Review 2.
If you guys have any
make sure to like, subscribe, follow.
To my channel.
Yeah. Follow Laith on YouTube, Laith Assad on Twitter.
He means
yeah. Twitch.tv/Laith LIETH.
What about Moe TV?
Yeah, I mean they know you. If they're watching this video, they're already on Moe TV. My socials, my social media will be linked in the description below.
We'll talk about that.
Yeah, Scooter, John, someone.
We'll
fix
Scooter,
it.
Johnny doesn't know what to do. All right.
Okay.
All right, guys. Thanks for your time,
yeah.
And you know, shout out to you know, Moe for allowing the for you to use the car.
Dahlia, we appreciate you.
Use the car.
Dahlia has great taste in this. We're just gonna shout out my girl real quick. Look,
yeah, that's my wife.
I mean, she's like my home girl. You know what I mean? All right, so we got the tints, man. We got the limo tint. All right, you know, when you're living the way I'm living, okay, and it's my car, so just understand, I chose this. Okay, when you're living the way I'm living,
you weren't part of the decision at all.
No, I was. First of all, we'll get into that later, okay? But you don't want random seeing you, okay? I don't want beta seeing me, so I limo tint my range.
That's illegal tint. Honestly,
well, guess what?
Everyone
my
watching,
fame should be illegal.
And listen, everyone watching,
illegal
this was done against my will. My wife is also guilty in this regard, but don't ever do a limo tint, because here's the problem: you're gonna get a ticket, and it's gonna cost you a lot of money. Yeah. And you gotta get it removed, and you gotta pay the ticket. So it's not smart.
With that mindset, yeah. But let me show you one thing. Get close, right? This is why this car is also a 1 of 1. All my vehicles in my fleet are 1 of 1. Look at what Range Rover did for me. Look. L for Laith down there.
Oh shit!
Not a lot of people know that.
That's the big L.
It's a small detail.
That's another name for the channel. Okay. We might do the big L.
Yeah, you know, small guy, big reviews.
Or small L.
Small guy, big reviews. Shout out Carrie. Shout out Cody. Cool. Shout out Home Base. A bunch of alcoholics.
All right, man. This is the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you know, music.
We'll catch you outside. Big body.
Music hit it.